Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Basic Learning. This is your friend Sujit. Today I am going to teach you how to calculate regression by formula as well as in Excel. Also I will be teaching how to calculate MAD, MSE and MAPE by forecasting the value. For regression we need two variables x and y and the data are given here. We will be using this data to calculate the regression, and the regression equation line is represented by y equals to mx plus c. First we need to calculate m and c. M is calculated by formula m equals to n summation xy minus summation x into summation y divided by n summation x square minus summation x whole square. Now let us put the value from the above table. We have n is 10 into summation xy is 325940 minus, and summation x is 125 into, and summation y is summation x is 540 and y is 5928, and again 10 into summation x square is 40850 minus summation x is 540, so we'll count here 540 into 540. So let us solve this. So by solving 325940 minus 320120 divided by 40850 minus 291600. So again let us solve this. So this will be 58280 divided by 116900. So this will give us the value of 0.49. We'll be comparing this value in Excel as. So we have m equals to 0.4985. Let us bold this. So now again we have next function c. So let us again calculate the value of c. So c equals to, we have summation y minus m summation x divided by n. So let us put the value here again. So summation y is 5928 minus m is 0.4985 into summation x is given by 540. So to put divided by 10, we have n equals to 10. So if you calculate this, we'll get the value 565.87. So we'll get the value 5.565.87. From above equation we have y equals to 0.4985 x plus 565.87. Now let us calculate the regression from Excel. So we have the same data over here, x and y, with the same value. So for this we need to go to data and then data analysis. First, to make sure that you have data analysis here in your data option. If not, you just go to the Excel options and you'll find here add-ins, and click to add-ins, Excel add-ins, and press OK. So you just make sure that it is ticked. So if it is unticked, so you'll just see here it disappears from here. So in order to get this option, you just go to Excel options and add-ins and Excel add-ins, and then tick over here analysis toolpack and OK. So you'll find here the data analysis. So click over there, and after coming over here you just click to regression and OK. So it will ask you for the y range and the x range. So let us input the y range. So I just select this y range. Again I'll also put here the x inputs, so here to here, and output range. So you just click here to output range and randomly put on any cell where you want to get the output. So just press OK. So here we have the value over here. So this is our m equals to, and this is our c equals to. So let us compare the value. So we have m equals to this and this. So I'll just copy these values over here. So okay, so you can see here the value m equals to 0.4985, 0.498546, and c equals to 565.87. so our calculation is right over here. So let us put the value over here. Now m equals to 0.4985 and our c is 565.87. so now let us calculate the MAD, MSE and MAPE concept. So this is FT, also known as Y cap, and it is represented by Y equals to MX plus C. So this is the same thing. So we'll be using here formula how to get this value. So we'll be using the same equation from here. So this is our equation, y equals to mx plus c. So I'll just paste this value over here. So here we'll use the formula y equals to mx plus c. So y equals to, our m is this. So just press F4 after putting the m and into x plus c. So you'll get the value over here. So if you just scroll all over here, or even if you just double click over here, you'll get the value over here. So now ET, so ET is DT minus FT. So this is our y, also known as dt. So we'll use equals to this minus this into, and just double click here. So absolute ET, so for this we have formula equals to ABS and double click here and et and bracket close down. So here, so now to calculate MAD we have formula equals to average of all these, so we'll use average all this and enter. So it is square, so our this is square enter. So again we can do here equals to average and this value, so we'll get the MAC here. So for MAPE we need to calculate equals to this, we have ET, absolute ET divided by DT into 100. So this is our value, so let us do here. So even for this we have the same formula equals to average and all this value enter. So this is how we can calculate MAD, MSE and MAPE. So thank you so much for giving your time and watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.